Hello everyone, this is Teresa and today I'm going to discuss about scanning a website using Nmap. So what is Nmap? Nmap is a network scanning tool. So what we do with using Nmap, we scan network and besides scanning, we can do different network discovery, administration and security auditing. Nmap stands for Network Mapper. So here we map down the network and all the devices in that network. We can scan a single target, multiple target, a list of target using Nmap and find out different informations about those targets. Like previous video, today we also be scanning the vuln.com website. Nmap and then remove backslash and paste it, hit enter. So in this scanning, it will bring out some of the ports that are vulnerable, that are open or filtered or closed. Also, it will find out the okay. So the result is here. It says that the HTTP port service is open at port 80 transmission control protocol. So it uses the HTTP, that is it is not secure and its port is 80. Also we can see another information that is that 999 filtered TCP ports. Filtered means these ports are currently being secured by firewall. Okay, so this is the basic scan that it doesn't actually give that much information. Now we will scan using the PN. PN means port scan. We will scan through the ports. In order to see how much the work has been done, we can press the upper arrow. It says it's 4.6%. A scan also found that there is only one service available, that is the with the normal scan. We also found the same thing here. So now we will try another command that is using the ST and it will scan for two ports. Okay, so nmap ST -T, that is we're going to scan two ports 80 and 443 of that same website. As you can see that only the HTTP service is running. Let's show another command attribute, that is SS. S stands for stealth mode, that is we're gonna go stealthily. Only the sync packet will be sent. That is half of the TCP will be done. To sudo nmap. So the scan has started. Although we tried using the stealth mode, we only found this one service running. Okay, so and also there is an information that the host is up and the DNS record has also been found. IP of the website is also found. We'll try using -a. We can also call hyphen as tag anyways. So nmap -a, then the URL. So -a or tag a, it indicates that we are gonna scan the operating system version and also find the trace route. Okay, so there is an interesting new information, that is the version has been found, that is the NGINX. It is the server version. We will use some pre-installed scripts. In order to see the pre-installed scripts, first let's use the command ls-user/share/nmap, then again slash and scripts. So these are the scripts that are available in my device for Nmap scan, for using in Nmap scan. So the list goes on. Let's use a script called, let's see whether it's available or not, grep -e and vuln. We are going to find the vulnerable. So we can see that there's a vulnerable.nsc. Also, all these are vulnerable scripts. So we can use all these at once. And how we will do that? We will type sudo nmap scripts and we will use vuln and finally the URL of the site. First, we see the first result says that HTTP stored XSS. So cannot find any stored XSS, that is cross-site scripting vulnerability. Then there is CSRF and it has a limit to max depth of 3 and max page count of 20. So there is CSRF vulnerability. So these are the CSRF vulnerable paths. So it has also given us that vulnerable path of here. It didn't find any DOM-based XSS. It sure did find some SQL injection queries. Here are some cross-domain policy vulnerabilities that have also been found. The references, and finally some of the pages that can be found with HTTP enum, that is the admin page, the login.php, the admin folder. So let's just try out this and find out what's in there. /admin. So here is the admin page, admin folder. Then let's use we all know that login.php is already available. There's the username password. Then CVS. So this is the log entries. We can see the pictures, images, secured and vendor, all these other directory entry listing. So this is the result of the Nmap of using the category vuln. We can also use a direct script here, and we can also try using, let's for example use the HTTP method script. Okay, so Nmap check P80, as we know it is in the port 80, then script, then we will use HTTP check methods and then the website URL. So as you can see that it has found that it has a get post supported method. So this helps to find out the methods available for this specific service. So this is the way of using Nmap in order to find the network information, all the host, the ports which are available, open, filtered, or closed, and so many other results. So we just saw Nmap, and now we will be using Zenmap. Zenmap is basically a GUI version of Nmap. You can check for Zenmap in here. Type Zenmap. So if it is not found, then you can install that using sudo apt install zenmap So it's already installed in my device. And after that, just type Zenmap-kbx. So what we can do in Zenmap is we can put the target in this box. Then we can use different profiles like intent scan or ping scan, quick scan, and these profiles are here for a better use. Like we just put test PHP here. Then suppose we are doing ping scan and then hit the scan button. So it will show the host list here, the services here, also the post and the host list, the topology of the website, everything will in a visual mode. And we can also put those manual commands that we put in the terminal here also. And also there is another thing that is quite interesting, that is quick scan. You can see there is P4. As you can see that it's scanned down the whole site, and we can use -F for fast scan. There are many other options that you can try out here. As we can see, the HTTP service is available, and so the scan is complete, and we can find the trace route and all that, and includes all the addresses and the RTP values and how many hops were taken, and all other information there. As you can see that the topology is also found here. The topology of the trace route is also here. And that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I will be posting the last task soon.